Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I cut and sew a simple dress. I'm using this lace material. I have about 3.5 yards by 60. I'm going to fold the 60 inches into 4, first into 2 and into 4. Like this, I fold into 2 and I will fold again to give me into 4. After folding into 2, I have 30 inches. I will fold into 4, then I have 15 inches. The full length I'm going to use is 63 inches. The half length is 39 inches. I have 39 inches plus 1 inch to sew the flare I'm going to sew on the bottom, and to sew half inch to sew on the shoulder. I add 1 inch, so I have 40 inches here. Shoulder is 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches, plus half inch to sew. I place my tape on the shoulder and I measure down 10 inches. Armhole, I measure 10 inches. Bust is 44 inches, divided by 4 is 11 inches, plus 1 inch to sew. I place my tape on the shoulder and I measure down waist, 16 inches, plus 1 inch to sew. I have 16.5 inches. Waist is 42 inches, divided by 4 is 10.5 inches, plus 1 inch to sew. I'm not going to add that. Place my tape on the waist. I measure down 12 inches. This is hip. Hip is 54 inches, divided by 4 is 13.5 inches, plus 1 inch to sew. Bottom is 48 inches, divided by 4 is 12 inches, plus 1 inch to sew. Neckline, I measure 3 inches. I will use half inch to cut the back. On the shoulder, I will measure half inch and trim. I'm going to cut front neck. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I measure down 4 inches. I will mark round. This is the front neck. I'm going to cut the flare on the down part. Just a mini flag, not too big, not too small. Before I form a triangle shape, let me measure. This 38 inches. 38 inches, then folding into 2. 38 inches into 2 before I will fold a triangle shape. Like this. So the flared I'm going to cut, I need 24 inches plus ½ inch to sew. 14.5 inches, 14.5 inches to get 12 inches. Yes, this one is enough. Measuring from here down here, 14.5 inches, 14.5 inches to get 12 inches, which I need for the bottom. I will measure from here 24.5 inches. 24.5 inches. 24.5 inches. 24.5 inches. I'll mark. And I'll cut the sleeve. For the sleeve, the measurement here is 20 inches by 24 inches. 20 inches by 24 inches. I fold into 2 already. I will fold again. This into 4. The measurement for the sleeve is 19 inches. I'm going to add band on the round sleeve. For the band, I will measure 4 inches. So I'm going to remove 4 inches from the measurement here. 19 inches is the measurement I'm going to use. I add 1 inch or so on the shoulder. I'm going to cut just here. Then this place, I will make plaits before the band. This is for the band. Round sleeve is 10 inches. I fold into 2 and I fold again. Ten inches divided by 2 is 5 plus 1 inch to sew. So I'm going to cut the one to turn the neckline, then I will start to sew. want to make design. Let me show you this dress. I'm going to use the remaining one to make design on this dress. This is exactly 1 yard. Fold this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I fold into 8, into 2, into 4. Then I bring this way. I have into 8. I'm going to sew here on the bottom between the flared and the top. I'm going to sew this one on it, this place. I will measure 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches. So let me see. Yes, it's enough. 3.5 inches is enough. So from here I will measure 4 inches, just like here. 4 inches. 4 inches, 4 inches. I cut 3.5 inches by 40 inches. I hem here already, and I'm also going to hem the bottom of this one. The sleeve I will plait here to give me the measurement of the round sleeve. I notch here and here. I will place together, then plait to give me 5 inches. I will do the same on the second sleeve. I will hem the bottom of this one, the flared. I will sew here, and also with the back. When I'm going to join the flared on the bottom and sew here on the chest area on the top, I will show you. Sew here, I will sew here. I will first plait here before I join the shoulder. What I did was to plait first before placing on top this way. And I will sew on top. I'm done sewing here, and I join the shoulder, and I sew one sleeve here. I'm going to sew the other one here. I will sew here down. After doing that, I will join the side. I'm going to sew this one here now. And the flared on top, the Ankara is in between the lace. I'm going to sew on the bottom. After sewing, to come this way. So this is the final sewing, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.